Have hobbies? Well, this one comes with a man shed. I'm starting in the back. I love that it's all brick, brand new windows, doors. This is definitely where you can have another business. So this is definitely storage business space. Okay, so this is the only part I hate in this house, is this kitchen. I am a small person, but this is bad. I mean, good thing I know some awesome people as far as kitchens, renovations. Ah! I'm trying to cook it. House has 2 entrances in the front, which is kind of confusing as well. So this is a door to the house, and then that's the other door. Good news is it smells good in here. I like the white tile, white. Definitely a kid's bedroom. This room is bigger. And this is the master. So it's got new windows, new doors. The flooring in here is an easy fix. That is not a master size closet. I would not fit in there. Okay guys, let me know what you think.